Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Noises, the channel where we immerse ourselves in the sights and sounds of fascinating destinations around the world. Today, we're diving headfirst into the land of the rising sun, Japan. Get ready to experience the vibrant tapestry of this incredible country, where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovation. Japan, a captivating island nation in East Asia, is a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and modern innovation. With a rich cultural heritage, breathtaking natural landscapes, and bustling metropolises like Tokyo and Osaka, Japan offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. From tranquil temples and exquisite gardens to futuristic technology and mouth-watering cuisine, Japan's allure lies in its ability to seamlessly balance tradition with contemporary advancements. Prepare to be enchanted by the unique sights, sounds, and flavors that make Japan a truly unforgettable destination. Japan, an archipelago located in East Asia, is strategically situated in the Pacific Ocean. It comprises 4 main islands, Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, and numerous smaller islands, making it a vital trading hub and a center of international commerce and diplomacy. With a population of approximately 126 million, Japan stands as a thriving economic powerhouse, known for its technological advancements, rich cultural heritage, and global influence. It excels in sectors such as electronics, automotive manufacturing, and robotics, thanks to its dedication to quality, precision, and a strong work ethic. Japan's ability to seamlessly blend tradition and modernity has captivated the world, and solidified its position as a significant force in the global economy.
Historical background of Japan. Historical background of Japan.
During Japan's feudal era from the 12th to the 19th century, the samurai culture held significant influence, shaping the nation's history. At the pinnacle of society were the samurai, a noble warrior class characterized by their exceptional skills and adherence to the code of honor known as Bushido. Under the feudal system, power resided in the hands of the shogun, a military dictator who effectively governed Japan. The shogunate established centralized governance and exercised control over the regional daimyo, feudal lords responsible for governing their respective territories. The daimyo, in turn, relied on the samurai for protection and assistance. Loyalty and honor were deeply rooted in the fabric of samurai society. They lived by a code that emphasized unwavering allegiance to their lord, self-discipline, and courage. Fearlessness in battle, mastery of swordsmanship, and unwavering commitment to their master's cause were expected of samurai. Additionally, they were entrusted with the responsibility of upholding justice, practicing self-control, and maintaining dignity. The influence of the shoguns extended beyond military matters, encompassing cultural and economic domains. They served as patrons of the arts, particularly traditional Japanese theater forms like Noh and Kabuki. The shogunate also supported the construction of magnificent castles, temples, and gardens, serving as symbols of power and prestige. The decline of the samurai class commenced in the late 19th century with the advent of modernization and the Meiji Restoration. The samurai were stripped of their exclusive right to carry swords and eventually abolished as a distinct social class. However, their legacy persists within Japan's cultural identity, as the principles of discipline, loyalty, and honor associated with the samurai continue to resonate in modern Japan. The Meiji Restoration, spanning from 1868 to the early 20th century, marked a monumental turning point in Japan's history. It brought forth a sweeping transformation that propelled Japan from a feudal society to a modernized nation, driven by the urgent need to catch up with Western powers. Under the guidance of Emperor Meiji and a progressive group of samurai called the Meiji oligarchs, Japan eagerly embraced Western ideologies and technologies. The nation underwent a radical restructuring, establishing a centralized government and adopting a constitutional monarchy. Numerous reforms were implemented, dismantling the feudal system and consolidating power under the emperor's authority. Central to the Meiji Restoration was the pursuit of industrialization. The Japanese government pursued ambitious policies aimed at modernizing infrastructure, developing industries, and advancing education. Extensive investments were made in the construction of railways, telegraph lines, and factories, laying the foundation for Japan's future economic prowess. To expedite progress, Western experts were invited to share their knowledge in various fields, including science, technology, and military training. The Meiji Restoration also triggered profound social and cultural shifts. The privileged status of the samurai class was abolished, giving rise to a burgeoning middle class. Education became more accessible, leading to the establishment of modern institutions. The government actively promoted the study of Western sciences, languages, and customs, with Western dress and practices becoming fashionable among the elite. These reforms set Japan on a rapid trajectory towards modernity. The nation swiftly emerged as a formidable global player, challenging and surpassing Western powers in various realms. By the early 20th century, Japan had achieved impressive industrialization, military might, and cultural advancements, positioning itself as a formidable force in Asia. The Meiji Restoration stands as an extraordinary period in Japan's history, representing a remarkable transformation from a feudal society to a modernized nation. It symbolizes Japan's resolute determination to embrace change and catch up with the rest of the world, ultimately laying the groundwork for its remarkable rise as a major global power in the modern era. Japan's involvement in World War II had a profound impact on the nation, both during the conflict and in the subsequent aftermath. The war began with Japan's aggressive expansion in Asia and the infamous attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941, which drew the United States into the fray. However, by the war's end in 1945, Japan faced widespread devastation and immense challenges. The aftermath of World War II presented Japan with the arduous task of reconstruction and rebuilding. The country's major cities, including Tokyo and Hiroshima, lay in ruins from bombings and suffered immense destruction. The Japanese economy was in disarray, and the population endured the painful consequences of war. Nonetheless, Japan embarked on an extraordinary journey of economic recovery in the post-war years. With unwavering determination and strategic planning, the Japanese government and business leaders set their sights on rebuilding the nation. Key economic reforms were introduced, and substantial investments were made in infrastructure. Emphasizing technological advancements became a cornerstone of Japan's resurgence. The Japanese economic miracle unfolded as Japan experienced rapid economic growth throughout the 1950s and 1960s. Thriving industries such as manufacturing, automotive, electronics, and shipbuilding propelled the nation forward. Renowned Japanese companies like Toyota and Sony gained global recognition for their innovative products and unwavering commitment to quality. By the 1970s, Japan had risen to become the world's second-largest economy, fueled by its export-driven growth model. The country's success was attributed to its relentless pursuit of excellence, efficiency, and continuous improvement. The concept of the Japanese management style emerged, highlighting practices such as lean manufacturing and just-in-time production. Japan's economic recovery transformed it into a global powerhouse, making significant contributions to technological advancements and international trade. The nation became synonymous with reliable and high-quality products, spanning automobiles, consumer electronics, machinery, and robotics. In summary, World War II left Japan in ruins, but through its resilience and determined efforts, the nation achieved an extraordinary economic recovery. Japan's post-war reconstruction became a shining example of rapid growth and technological prowess, catapulting it to the forefront of the global stage.